Good morning, Santa Clarita. I am Connor MacIvor, Connor with Honor with Santa Clarita openhouses.com. This is your daily real estate update. Currently, I've been doing some research, pulling the numbers from this morning. 474 total active listings on the market for sale across all of Santa Clarita Valley. Breaking that down into 7 days of market activity, we have 5 properties coming soon. 82 new listings have entered the market in the past 7 days. That has been typical over the past 4.5 weeks. 76 properties have had their prices changed. A majority of these, over 90%, are actually reductions in listing price. So that's something to watch out for. I don't believe that trend is going to catch on and continue into the future, because if interest rates stay steady or come down a little bit, we're still going to have this robust market. If in fact we have the same inventory but interest rates drop considerably, then we're going to see a repeat of the market that we had back in 2020 and 2021 and 2022, when properties were really going for much higher than their listing price, where buyers were willing to give up the appraisal and in addition give up certain considerations and also waive some time contingencies and also inspections. So there were a lot of sacrifices made on the buyer's end in order to be competitive with other buyers. If you're going to be in that kind of a market, it is not for the weary. Definitely you want to make sure that you muscle up with a proper realtor and make sure that everything is covered and of course everything's explained. Back on market properties 23, active under contract properties 33, pending 55, 53 closed this past week, 3 expired, 11 canceled, 7 put on hold, and 3 have been withdrawn from the market. In the very near future, there's going to be more changes to the California contracts that involve real estate from the California Association of Realtors, and that is because of a lawsuit that had taken place. Now we're going to see the commission concession structures change, where even though from the beginning it's been purported, I've been in real estate since '98, sellers had a choice as to how much they were going to pay, but they had to pay something. Now in this particular circumstances, sellers pay what they want to their agent, and then the buyer pays what they want to their agent, or maybe they consider or ask the seller for a consideration to pay their agent to help them find or buy that seller's residence. That's where the market is currently, and if that's about as clear as mud, you can find out more information at santaclaritaopenhouses.com/blog. I've been talking a lot about this lately on my personal site, santaclaritaopenhouses.com, and that's because I believe it helps to have that local resource you can go to try to wrap your mind around any real estate changes that are occurring, but you're going to have to find that local level expert and not those online syndication systems, because they're pulling data from all over the place and who knows who's writing that content. I'm Connor MacIvor. I hope your week is fantastic. We'll be back tomorrow. It'll be Tumultuous Tuesdays, which is difficult to say, and I appreciate you watching. This market is exciting, ladies and gentlemen. The best way to approach it is, of course, to have the best advice you can. If you are looking to sell and interest rates come down, as purported to be coming down, and they've been saying this for a while now, so don't get your hopes built up. And whatever you do, do not purchase real estate predicated on promises and opinions about changes in the market. However, it is interesting to talk about to best prepare you, just in case the interest rates do come down into the 4s or low 5s. You'll know what to do if in fact that happens as sellers and buyers. I'm Connor with Honor. Be well. Thanks for watching today's show, and I'll be back tomorrow. Please share. We'll talk to you soon. Connor MacIvor, over and out.